Mastering the art of quiet speech. In a whisper. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, in a whisper, and exploring its meaning and usage. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding such phrases can enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started. When someone speaks in a whisper, they are speaking very softly and quietly. The volume is much lower than normal speech, similar to the sound one makes when trying not to be overheard or when speaking in a place where silence is required. It's not just about volume. It's also about the tone and the intention behind it. This phrase can be used in both literal and figurative contexts. Literally, you use in a whisper when you're describing the way someone is speaking. Figuratively, it can describe conveying something subtly or discreetly. Let's look at examples. Literal, please speak in a whisper. The baby is sleeping. Figurative, the rumors about the merger spread through the office in a whisper. Whispering can convey a range of emotions and intentions, from secrecy and intimacy to urgency and fear. By saying something in a whisper, the speaker can imply that the information is sensitive or that they are in an environment that requires quietness. Now, let's practice using in a whisper in different sentences. I will provide a scenario, and you'll think of how to use the phrase. For instance, in a library, sharing a secret, in a moment of fright. Thank you for joining today's lesson on the phrase, in a whisper. Remember, mastering such phrases will not only improve your vocabulary but also your understanding of context and tone in English. Keep practicing, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. See you next time.